Namaste. I am Dr. Isha Jain. Today in this video we will discuss about materials. Materials क्या होते हैं, मटेरियल कंट्रोल क्या होता है, मटेरियल कंट्रोल क्यों करते हैं हम, क्या क्या टेक्निक्स होती है मटेरियल कंट्रोल करने की, मटेरियल्स को इशू करने की. क्लियर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज अ मटेरियल और इन्वेंट्री? It means a schedule of items held at a particular point in time. That means एक particular point पे आपको कितने स्टॉक की रिक्वायरमेंट है और उतना स्टॉक आपके स्टोर में अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. Then levels of material control. First of all, what is material control? Material control may be defined as a system which ensures the right quantity of material of the right quality at the right time and place at the minimum cost. It is a systematic control over the purchasing, storing and using of materials so as to have the minimum possible cost of materials. Now there are two levels of material control. First one is quantity control. It aims at ensuring to see whether the required quantity of material is available or not. जितनी क्वांटिटी आपको चाहिए पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल की, उतनी क्वांटिटी आपके स्टोर में अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. Storekeeper and production executive are concerned with quantity control basically. Next level of material control is financial control. It is concerned with finance manager activities related to material, and it aims at providing the too much or undue investment in materials and ensuring that every rupee spent in materials is efficiently utilized. Now, what is the need of material control? क्यों कर रहे हैं material control? जरूरत ही क्या है हमें? What are the objectives of material control? So basically these are the main objectives of material control. Let us discuss these objectives one by one. First one is ensure availability of material. The object of material control is to make various types of materials continuously available so that the production may not be held up for material. Second main objective is work out minimum and efficient investment in materials. So there should be minimum investment in materials and every rupee spent in materials should be efficiently utilized, and that is the reason why we are doing material control. Third is preserve quality. The objective of material control is to purchase materials of right quality at favorable terms. Then maintain proper records. The other objective of material control is to maintain accurate and timely records in various accounting books. Then avoid misappropriation is the another objective of material control. According to Blocker and Weltmeier, misappropriation, theft and waste of materials are concurrent with a lack of system of control. Therefore, there is a need of an inventory check on materials, which is a part of material control. And the last main objective is the avoid spoilage of materials. So the risk of spoilage and obsolescence of the materials should be avoided, and for this purpose the minimum level, maximum level, reordering level and the economic order quantity of materials are determined. So these are the main objectives of material control. Now these are the main techniques of material control. We will discuss each and every technique in detail in our further videos. So here I am simply giving a glimpse that what are the main techniques of material control. First one is determination of stock levels, in which we will determine different stock levels like reordering level, minimum level, maximum level, danger level, average stock level or so. Then EOQ is economic order quantity. Then material और इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर रेशो, यहाँ पे हम रेशो कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि कितना मटेरियल जा रहा है और कितनी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो कितना हमें अपने स्टोर में रखना है. ABC एनालिसिस, परपेचुअल इन्वेंट्री सिस्टम, वेद एनालिसिस, simplification and standardization and classification and codification. These are the main techniques of material control, and we will discuss all these techniques in detail in our further videos. If you have any query, do write in the comment section. Thank you.